You want to lose fat and eat pizza? Let's make it happen. Today I'm giving you 3 pita pizza recipes from the Cheat Code Kitchen. Buffalo chicken, BBQ Smokehouse, and meat lover Margherita. Each one hits 30 grams of protein and takes less than 10 minutes to make. And be sure to stick around to the end of the video. I'm dropping a crust hack to make these taste exactly like actual pizza, not diet food. Let's get started. First, the buffalo chicken. 1 pita, and spread some buffalo sauce onto the pita. I'm using these chicken breast bites from Costco, super convenient and saves you time. We'll be using these for all the pizzas. Chop them up a bit smaller, cover in buffalo sauce, add your first layer of mozzarella cheese, cover your pizza with the chicken, and add some more mozzarella cheese. Into the air fryer at 375 for 5 to 7 minutes. Add some blue cheese and our homemade high protein ranch, which is non-fat plain Greek yogurt and ranch seasoning. Mix it up and you may have to add some milk or water to get this consistency right here. Drizzle onto the pizza. Now just keep on going. Add some green onions. And there you have it, the buffalo chicken pita pizza. That is good. Next up, the BBQ Smokehouse. 1 pita. We'll spread out some barbecue sauce to the pita. Slice 1 red onion, nice and thin like this. And we'll drop that on the pita. Cover your chicken with the barbecue sauce and put that on top. Next, we're going sharp cheddar cheese and some mozzarella cheese. And now we're ready to go into the air fryer, 375 for 5 to 7 minutes. Top with some cilantro, and that is the BBQ Smokehouse Pita Pizza. That is good. And now for this last pizza, I'm showing you the crust hack. We're going about a half tablespoon of olive oil. We're going to spread that onto the pita and then add some garlic powder. But just note, it is adding about 60 extra calories. And now we'll throw the pita into a hot pan for about 1 to 2 minutes, and that'll get it nice and crispy with a nice garlicky taste. For the meat lover Margherita, we're adding in some tomato and basil sauce, spread that out. I'm using these pre-portioned mozzarella balls from Costco. I'm just gonna slice these up a little bit more, and then place on top of the pizza. Some turkey pepperoni, I'm gonna slice that in the fours to get as much on the pizza as possible. Then add the chicken breasts. Put in the air fryer at 375 for 5 to 7 minutes. Grate some fresh Parmesan and some fresh basil to top it off. And there's your meat lover Margherita pizza. Yep. That is good.